Want to do this too in some cute colors. Like this is gonna be a great idea for summer times, and for a lot of clients like to have a cute nail. So I'm gonna do like a French looks. See how it's gonna turn. And I'm gonna using it draw like kind of a chevron shape. And do not worry if you are not getting perfect, because we are going to using the gel light art or pre-seasoned gel painting. So make sure you cover it from a sidewall to sidewall, and I am curing this one for 30 seconds. And then let's do this one instead of like French look. I'm gonna do just on a diagonal. Okay. Make sure you are cover exactly where you want your foil to be chamfer. Cure this one for 30 seconds. And then we're gonna do the nails later. I really want to show you doing the French look with the cat eyes. So let's see what colors we are going to do. I really like this one. We can use this one on one nails.
Next, and for those looking for the transfer foil, that transfer foil number 15, and any other product you see Nancy use today, you can find them on our official website at glitzaccessoryandsuch.com.
This is number 15 foil. I love this. Not only have one of 4 designs, had actually 10 of them. So beautiful, vibrant. Oh my god, I was like
that.
It just come right off. It's cool though. Great. So this is number 15. It has so many, and this is one of them are also my favorites as well. I love this look. Okay, so I'm gonna put this one on the sides, and then let's do the next one in a different box. Let's see what we have here. I really like this one as well.
And that is box number 30.
Box number 30. Oh, this one is so cute too. This one is so adorable. You know, look. This one is cool. Like it's the same colors. So which one should I get? It doesn't matter, whatever colors you are going to do is going to be so adorable. And I'm going to using the other one because that one is so adorable. This one is cute as well. Give it a good press down. If you are having like troubleshooting with your foil, you have a lot of chamfer foil designs, images, box from Glitz, and still having a hard time and troubleshoot with the chamfer, the image too, definitely your premium iHo chamfer foil will be your bestie every single time. So chamfer everything, and then I'm gonna move this box on the side, and then let's show this look first. And then we're gonna do some designs after that.